According to Aristotle, the good life is happiness which consists of achieving it through the course of a whole lifetime, having everything like health, wealth, knowledge, and friends. Those elements that lead to the perfection of human nature and to the enrichment of human life. In my opinion, the good life is all about what makes you complete as a person, what makes you fulfilled in this journey that we have, and what sums all that up is being with the people that matter the most to me and being content and happy with what I have as I go through all the hardships and trials that life has to offer.
And according to another person, Robert Waldinger, he actually stated on lessons on how we can acquire a good life. Having social connections is better for our health because if you are unaware, loneliness can kill. Second is having higher quality connection. It doesn't matter on the quantity of your peers, but it matters on the quality that you have created. In my opinion, as we all know that while fame, fortune can give us the good life, it is actually the core memories that you, as an individual, create with the peers you have acquired. And while some of you may think that you can be happy by whatever success you create alone, don't. You will only find the true meaning of having a good life is when you enjoy the success with the peers you want to be with.